Just finished my workout. I took a shower. I put on my work from home outfit. Mondays are the busiest for me, so I try not to put on makeup unless I have to film or if I have a meeting. But today I am just keeping my skin clean and natural, also because I want to get rid of my pimples. I mean, it's pretty normal, especially when I'm about to get my period, but like they're huge. I'm gonna put on pimple patches in a bit because, like I said, I'm not gonna be putting on makeup anyways. So this is my work from home outfit. I got this tie-dye shorts and sweatshirt from SHEIN a while ago. If you guys have been watching my SHEIN hauls, or if you've been on my channel for a while, you probably have seen this in one of my hauls. But it is so cute. It's so comfy. I have this in the color pink and blue, and I want to use the pink one because spring is here. And then my sandals are from Lulu's. They're just a knockoff of the Yeezy sandals, I believe, or like the Adidas and Yeezy sandals. And yeah, so that's my work from home outfit. And then I just put on some earrings because they make me feel like I have a whole outfit together, even though I literally am just kind of wearing pajamas. Not really, but yeah, that's my outfit for today. I have class at 11:20, guys. I feel like I haven't been in class for a while because we had a midterm last week and we didn't have class. We just took the midterm, in which I barely passed, by the way, but it's okay. That's gonna be the exam that's gonna get dropped. So thank God for professors who dropped the lowest, you know, exam. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and answer some emails and then get to class. I'm currently waiting for Final Cut Pro to load up on my iMac. My iMac is pretty old. I believe I got this like back in 2015, maybe even like earlier, but it's pretty slow. I have thought about like getting a new one because my mom and I switches off. Like, she uses this on the weekend when she has her clinicals, because obviously everyone's online right now, and sometimes I have videos to edit on the weekend and it's been really slow. But also at the same time, like, if it works, then it still works. Like, there's literally no need for me to buy a new one. But sometimes I just get super impatient where I'm like, okay, like, you better like work or else I'm replacing you. I'm just gonna start checking my emails, both school, work. Yeah, everything is loading super slow. I feel like your technology gadgets can sense when you're in a hurry, because that's when they start slowing down. I basically finished editing the raw cuts. It's at 18 minutes right now. I believe it's going to be like around 20 minutes. Just have to add like transitions, text, and also the music. Then I have to upload this on YouTube, set it unlisted so that I can send it to the brand. Unlisted is basically like anyone who has the link can see it, but it's not completely open to the public to see. So I have to work on this really quickly. Hopefully I get to finish it before my class, and then after this I have a week in my life vlog that I want to edit. I usually upload my vlogs on Mondays, but life has just been super hectic, so I guess they've moved to like Tuesdays. So I have to add music, transitions, text, and then also the intro. Editing the intro is literally my favorite part of editing a vlog, guys. I think it's just so much fun because you get to pick out the highlights and then you get a cool music, put it on the front, and yeah. No internet. Spectrum. For unlimited data, you be acting very limited. Since my calendar isn't loading up on my laptop right now, I have it on my phone, which is the beauty of Google Calendar. Google, just sponsor me. So this is Monday. We got a vlog. Okay, well, that's gonna be moved to tomorrow. My HelloFresh is due for brand approval. I already did my workout. I finished editing my productive day in my life just in time before my class. I'm gonna export this and then upload it on YouTube, and then I'm also gonna work on my Adore Me brand deal right now. It's an IG reel. Don't mind my screen, I'm gonna clean it today. It's been a productive morning so far. I feel like I'm getting a lot of things done. Definitely multitasking. We love it. We love it. But yeah, I have about 15 minutes till my class starts, so.
See that the price is thought to be too high. So what the government will do is say, wait a minute, that's wrong. Bring it down. We create like a line in the sand threshold for which the price is not allowed to go above some particular price.
Today is a good day because I honestly did not expect to go live with my new vlog for HelloFresh, but they approved it an hour after I sent in the video for approval. So now I just uploaded this on my channel, and then my collab with Adore Me was also approved, so this one also went up live today. So I feel like a lot of my content went up today. Take a taste test of the hoisin honey chicken that I just made. I added lemon, red chili peppers, and also Tabasco because I love spicy food. I also opted out the rice because I eat rice every day, so cheers. Wow. I'm glad that I added the Tabasco and lemon because it has that zesty, sweet and spicy taste to it. Today has been a productive day. Ooh, also it's 222, angel number. Let's see what it means. So I usually get 111 or 444. I've never gotten 222, so let's see what the angel number is telling me today. Number 222 has to do with balance. Okay, already relatable. Angel number 222 encourages you to take a balanced, harmonious, and peaceful stance in all areas of your life. Angel number 222 is a message of faith and trust from your angels. That's what it says. Alright, so as I was saying, today has been a productive day so far. It's 2:23 and I feel like I've gotten a lot of things done and out of the way already. This morning I edited, or like I finished editing my HelloFresh vlog, and then I turned it into the brand. I didn't expect them to approve it on the same day, and she said I can go live whenever I want. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and upload it. So that video is up, you guys. And then my brand deal with Adore Me was also approved today, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and live on Instagram, because for HelloFresh it's only just a YouTube video. There's no additional Instagram post or Instagram story whatsoever. It's just a YouTube video. And then for Adore Me, it's just an IG reel. There's like no YouTube video for it. So I was like, well, I'll just go ahead and upload 2 sponsored content today, but just like on different platforms. I try not to do that because I still like cross promote them, but I was like, there's really no point of me waiting till like tomorrow or like later throughout the week to kind of upload them. They're already up and ready anyways. And then I had my econ class, and now I just have to answer emails because I was really worried that I wasn't able to finish my HelloFresh vlog because that was due today. So I ignored all of my emails, and I have about 77 in total for all of my emails all across social media platforms. So I'm just gonna look through those. And then during class I was just writing on my weekly notepad, and I already pretty much kind of like hit my goals for today. So let's go ahead and cross them out. You guys can't even see it, but I haven't done emails though. So for approval, I already did it with HelloFresh, my IG reel, econ class. I did my workout this morning. Oh, I have to check out my contract. Okay, and then I have to edit my week in my life. So for the most part, I did everything that I needed to submit and upload today. And then I just have the fan feed post for Adore Me later. But yeah, so it's been a productive Monday. See what happens when like the weather is great and you get up early. It's a smooth day for me. So should we go ahead and open this PR package? It's from LiquidIV. I did not think that they were gonna send me anything because they usually like tell me ahead of time if they're gonna ship out a new collab or like new flavors. Spring forward, bounce back. Daylight saving time can be difficult. Hydrate better, energize better, ease into sleep faster, and stay well with 1 less hour. You got this. Ooh, look at this, guys. I feel like I have every single flavor of LiquidIV in my pantry. I honestly love them. I drink the hydration pack for like sleeping every night. It's supposed to help you hydrate your body while you're asleep. It says longer days. The strawberry one, tangerine, is for when the sun's out. Wake up and smell the energy. Lemon ginger, I've never tried this. And then we got the blueberry lavender. And then it says here, scan here to stay motivated. And then they sent us this little pouch. Spotify, scan, picture. Did you guys see that? Thank you so much. Well, no, because I just got the email now.
Oh, they just, oh, that's so weird.
Yeah, that's the thing. That's why I called you right away, because I was like, because all morning I haven't answered emails because I need to submit my HelloFresh one. And I'm finally like answering emails, and then I just got this. Cook this beautiful and yummy meal, and it is just in this little bag. Now I'm gonna do some adulting things. I have to call Chase and verify this new card that I got, because I guess they changed to, or like the new cards are now contactless. So instead of like putting it into the credit card slot, you can just tap it, and there we go.
Due to invalid responses, we are ending the survey. Goodbye.
I'm literally trying to call just to verify my card. Like, what is all of these surveys?
You'll get $25 dining dollars for answering this
I'm done. I'm just gonna do the online one because that was like my 3rd time trying. Okay, That was so easy. I usually call to verify because it's the easiest, but for some reason they were just giving me so much other information that I didn't really need. Like, I even did the survey. It was like making me do it again. So I was like, I'm over this. So now I have my new card. Hey guys, it's Shrek. Just kidding, Shrek is live. I'm currently doing a mask. I can barely move my face because if I continue to move it, it's gonna start cracking. So anyone else getting goosebumps just staring at the cracks? But I'm using the Indian healing clay that I got off Amazon, but now they carry this at Target, and it's literally the best face mask ever.